In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Grokipedia in Grok AI 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where Grokipedia lives in the interface and how to open it quickly whenever you need reliable product information, guides, or answers. First, open your preferred web browser and head to grok.com. This is the official site for accessing Grok. Once the page loads, you'll land on the main area you use for your day-to-day work. If you're already inside the app, you're in the right place. Just make sure you're seeing the standard home view rather than a specific chat or settings screen. From here, look for the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It typically shows your recent activity and the key tools you use most. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Layouts can vary slightly based on updates or display size, but you should still see the core navigation nearby. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. This vertical sidebar is where Grok keeps most of the primary navigation. You'll usually find icons and labels for the main areas of the product stacked from top to bottom. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the labels, the panel may be collapsed. Simply hover over the edge or look for a small menu icon to reveal it so you can read the section names more clearly. Now look toward the bottom of that left panel. You should see your profile area, typically shown as an avatar or your initials. Click on your profile. This opens a compact menu designed to gather useful account-related options and resources in one easy-to-reach place. It's the quickest path to help materials without leaving your current view. Inside this profile menu is where you'll find Grokipedia. It often appears alongside other support and reference links. Think of Grokipedia as the official knowledge hub for Grok. Curated documentation, how-to guides, feature explanations, and best practices all in one place, written to help you solve problems quickly. Finally, click on Grokipedia to open it. It may launch in a new tab or a dedicated window inside the app. Once it's open, you can browse featured articles, use the search bar to jump straight to a topic, or scan categories to explore what's available. If you rely on it frequently, consider saving the page in your browser bookmarks so you can return with a single click. That's it. You went to Grok, accessed the dashboard, used the left side panel, opened your profile, located Grokipedia, and launched it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Grokipedia whenever you need trusted answers.